Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name is Perry Avery. I'm part of the sales team here. And today is a beautiful Friday, a sunny day, and we're going to go for a sea trial and do a little bit of a features and benefit video on this 2025 Azimut Yachts 42 Verve. Let's go. So now we're up on plane. We're cruising at about 27, 28 knots. This boat is powered by triple Mercury 400 V10s. Very, very good combination for this boat and this hull specifically. Let's just look at the sight lines. I've got two people up front. I still have very, very good visibility. That's a very deep bow up there. Yeah, just all the way around with the open sides on this boat. I feel really comfortable as a captain, you know, with your sight lines. One thing that's very important when you're out on the boat. All right, so now here on the aft portion, just a quick walk through a couple of things here. This L-shaped seating here can be turned into a table. So this cutout here can go mid-height and you put a filler cushion on top of it, or you put it full height and then there's a table cover that goes over it and you can use it as a dining table. Very versatile. Over here on the port side, so boarding door comes in, you board off of a fixed pier or just easier access onto a floating pier. Also, this whole shelf lays down as a beach platform. So when you're out, anchored out, you put that down, you're sitting here. It's really kind of just an unabridged version and view into the sea there, into where we are here in the Chester River. As you can see, we have the triple Mercury 400 V10s here. V10s are the new engines from Mercury. And again, great power package for this boat. Let's go take a look at the helm. Up here at the helm, Azimut went with Raymarine. These are great MFDs. You have any chart plotter, engine management system, radar, fish finder, really everything that the modern weekender yacht needs. From left to right here, so Humphrey trim tabs, auto trim, auto list, all from this LCD screen. This is a control panel or control remote for your screens. So while you're sitting back, you can just reach here. And then Mercury binnacle, one start stop button, active trim, transfer one lever, and then of course we love the joystick. Makes docking any boat extremely easy. As well, this boat comes with a bow thruster, so almost, you know, just a scalpel when you're combining these two features here on a boat. This is a sunroof that'll retract, and you get not only more airflow but a lot more sun when you want it. AC at the helm, cup holders. I have a nice slot here for my phone, adjustable steering wheel, and the seats here. Take a look at these seats. So this one will move up and down, and then below, I'm about 6'3", 6'4", but if you're a little vertically challenged, we have this drop floor that will increase your visibility. So this shelf just drops right down, and then you stand up, so it's right here, and then I'll stand up here. If I need that extra room, I have it. So a good job from Azimut there. But if I don't need that, just pop up right here, and this is so comfortable. Again, like I said when we were getting on plane, great visibility. But if you're going on longer trips, really, you just hit the autopilot here and just keep an eye out for other boaters. Let's go check out the bow where the other guys are. So on this model, you have this port side walkthrough. Since it is kind of a center console helm, you push this walkthrough to the port side. You get a ton of more room down in the cabin we'll go to in a minute, but join me up here on the bow. And just notice, I mean, when you're walking, very large grab handle. There's even a grab handle right here. That's a canvas piece. I didn't see before, but I really like that. And then, of course, you know, bow seating. Everybody wants to be up here. Everyone wants to enjoy the sun. And you can sit down here, like I said before, a nice deep bow. Storage underneath all, accent lighting, JL audio speakers, and then we can't forget these large seats here. So massive sun pad. You know, you got a sun lover, they'll love this boat. And then you pick these up. There's a attachment in the back, chaise lounge. I love it. This is the battle line seating, so open cell foam, dries very easily and very good for a marine environment. As you can see up top on the hard top, you got electronics arch, horn below, radar on top. You got twin KVH stat domes, all painted in black. Searchlight looks really sleek, especially with the twin VHF antennas there. Let's go take a look at the cabin. All right, so now as we step down into the cabin of the 42 Verve, 3 or 4 steps down, you have on your right engine management, breakers, breaker panels, 120, and then the engine keys are up here, as well as generator control. So I like the placement of it. You don't have to come all the way down here. If you just want to open this up and turn your keys on, you can do it from standing in the cockpit. Storage throughout in the galley over here. Your fridge, single cooktop stove, Miele appliances, and then exceptional storage throughout the back with freshwater sink. As we move forward here, so your table is a high-low table. This is in the up position right now. You can drop this down, put a filler cushion, and then you know, kids, another couple can sleep here. And one of the really unique features of this boat, if you look above, so you can separate this space. So, you know, someone's going down and everyone else wants to use the day head, but you need a little bit more privacy. You just pull this down, and this can separate kind of one side of the boat from the other. So I think that was a really good idea from Azimut. Why don't you come over here and check this out. So access underneath these seats here. Storage along the bow, emergency exit egress up top there. And then that over on the starboard side, that is not a mirror. Your TV is actually hidden behind there. So again, your Italian design, one of the things that I think people love when they buy an Azimut yacht. Let's take a look at the head. So full stand-up head and shower. Very elegant, beautifully crafted, as usual, from Azimut. And then a separate shower, right? So you close that off and you don't have any mess coming into the head area. And then behind this door is master. We've got a bunch of technical items in there, so it's full, so we're not going to show that, but plenty of photos online. Why don't you come up and we'll conclude in the cockpit. Alrighty, thanks for joining us here on this 2025 Azimut Yachts 42 Verve. This one is located currently in Kent Narrows in Maryland with MarineMax. I think we're going to go get some lunch, so Chris, to do the honors, let's hit it, and give us a call if you want to see this in person.